Hi everyone. Now you might know that any watch list data can be copied to your clipboard and pasted in Excel. So that's under right click on the watch list under Actions, Copy CSV Values to Clipboard. Search for the other quick tip video to show you how to do that. But for clients with an enterprise services subscription, can dynamically link the cells of the watch list to Excel. So as this is linked to Bloomberg and got real-time data, those cells or those columns are getting calculated automatically. We can send that data straight to Excel. So under the Send To, select Excel. That will open in a new Excel file. I think it's there, and containing whatever column that we've added to the watch list. And as you can see, as the watch list updates on the left with the new data, the Excel will update as well. Now, there is one issue with this. If we save this workbook, this Excel sheet rather, and come back tomorrow, the dynamic link between the Excel and the watch list will no longer exist. So that's a bit of an issue, and there's nothing we can do because that's an Excel setting. But there is a workaround that we can go through. It is a bit fiddly, but it gets the job done should you need to use it that way. So this is just book one file because I haven't saved it, but I'm going to save this as I'm going to put it in my documents folder. I'm just going to call it opt data. Let's just move that over a little bit and click save. Now what I'm going to do is create a new worksheet in Excel that is linked to that Optuma data Excel. And the way we do that in A1 of the second Excel sheet, click equals, and then click on A1 in the saved Excel sheet that we just created. So when we click that and then hit enter, it's now linked to that other Excel list. So if we click on A1, you'll see the formula there. So optimadata.xlsx, it's looking for that file. So as long as that file doesn't change location or change name, then it will always find it. But what I'm going to do in that formula there, you'll see there's $signs around the A. I'm going to delete those. That basically locks. When you copy that cell, it will just copy A1 all the time. We don't want to do that because what we want to do when we copy A1 across to how far do we go? F. It copies the cell as well. So that one's B1, C1, and so on. So when we drag this down to 29, this second sheet is referencing the linked sheet to our watch list. Now we might have to format this because column D is a percentage, so we can right click, format cells, change to percentage, so on and so forth. And you can have your own columns here, your own data that you can include. But what that means is if we save this, again in the documents, let's just call this main, for example. When we come back tomorrow, what we need to do, so I'm going to close that main. If we come back and also close this, the initial sheet, no need to save that. But if we come back tomorrow, we need to, this is the fiddly part, we need to send this to Excel again, and then save this file. It's opened up underneath, where is it? There. We need to save this file as the one we created yesterday. So Optuma data XLS. So it's what we need to do is overwrite the one that we created earlier. So when we open the main file again, it's going to Oh, it's opened up on another screen for some reason, so let me drag that across so that this file now will always be linked to that file. So that's how we can link maintain the link between the watch list and an Excel file. There's an extra step that we have to do to link a second Excel file into the one sent from the watch list. I hope that makes sense, but if you do have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.